In this step-by-step tutorial we are going to replace the webcam module. What do you need? A container to put the screws in, a screwdriver, and a spudger. The first step is to take out all the screws. Make sure there is soft material under the laptop so you prevent scratches. Take the spudger and put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure on the hinge. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully lift up the bottom case. Disconnect the camera module cable. Grab your opening tool and put it between the chassis. Now separate the two parts. Take the spudger and disconnect the FFC cable. Then put the spudger in the hole and pull the camera module out. Install the new camera module the same way as you took the old one out. Reconnect the cable. Place back the bottom case. Make sure that the bottom case fits properly. The final step is to put back all the screws. Pay close attention when putting back the screws that hold the hinges, because they are larger than the other screws.